That's so.
Is that so?
Is that so? Oh, is that so?
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 Is that so, Whitey?
Whitey.
Bud told me all about you.
Is that so?
Most toy stores prohibit that, you know?
Or is that so?
Yep.
Is that so, Private? I thought this was agreed. You wanted to enter some sort of plea bargain.
Is that so?
Yeah.
No, please. I just need to drink something.
Is that so?
Is that so? Well, then I quit.
Hey, and I want to make it up to you.
Is that so?
Got you 3 new jobs.
I wanted to be his partner, but he said he wants you.
Is that so?
Oh, is that so? I work for the United States government, and we pretty much track everything.
My brother's gonna get you. They're gonna kill you.
Is that so? It's not gonna help you right now, is it?